In this tutorial, we'll make base topology from our model. For reference, I will use model by Caesar Salcedo on Fab. It's a great realistic model that will serve as guide. This method will also work with any reference. First, we need to create single vertex. Create plane and, in edit mode, merge everything in center. Then, extrude sideways 3 times and 5 times backwards. Add mirror modifier, enable clipping, extrude upwards 1 unit and then again 2 units. Select everything using Alt-E and extrude all normals inside. Select this upper loop and delete it. Select these vertices on the side, extrude them and connect them in center. Add 2 loop cuts and fill the hole by selecting edge on the side and pressing F repeatedly. Now we can start shaping the mesh. Select these 4 vertices on the front and move them forward to make front teeth thinner. Enable face orientation to check if normals pointing in correct direction. Now we can create face sets that will be used as guide later. Select face sets brush and paint face set for gums, roof of the mouth, and 1 face set for every tooth. You can extend face sets by holding Ctrl and painting over chosen face set. When face set's done, we can start shaping base mesh using inflate and grab brushes. First, I'll make roof of the mouth rounder and add a bit of the ridge on the front. Then I'll shape mesh to be closer to reference using grab brush. We can see that teeth are following smooth curve, which we will recreate on base mesh. When shape is done, we can duplicate this mesh. Scale it by -1 on the axis, apply scale, and recalculate normals outside using Shift-N. Then we can start shaping lower teeth. We need to make them a bit smaller than upper teeth to make interlocking pattern. Lower teeth should be approximately 1.5 times smaller than upper teeth. Lower teeth, as we can see on reference, follows the same curve as upper teeth. For now, before continuing modeling, select this loop near teeth inside of both meshes and mark it as UVC. Then select these 8 faces, scale them to 0 on the axis and move them down a bit. Duplicate them, move them up and extrude them down to make base for tongue. Select tongue base and isolate it by pressing Shift H. Now we can sculpt rough tongue shape following upper teeth as guide. When shape is done, we can hide teeth mesh with Alt H. Now select these 3 vertices on the back of the teeth and delete them. Then do the same for these 2 vertices on the tongue. Now we can connect teeth and tongue meshes. For the last part, select corner vertex and press F to create new face. Now we can refine shape by moving vertices. To make tongue follow shape better, I'm adding another loop here. When shape is done, we can mark UV here to separate tongue from teeth. Then we can isolate tongue, fix face set, and refine shape even more. After we're done with the tongue shape, we can start modeling throat. First, I duplicate one vertex and separate it using P key and clicking selection. Now, we need to extrude this vertex 8 times to form throat. First 4 extrusions formed uvula, and next 4 closing the shape. Now, select all vertices and extrude them backwards. From here, close front part of uvula. Extrude this edge upwards and create new faces from corners as shown. Then create new face from corner here. Select these vertices on the side and extrude them. Then close the shape on the back side of uvula. Select these three vertices on the backside and extrude them to form a esophagus. Next, extrude upper and lower loops once. At this point, we can join all meshes together by selecting them and using Ctrl-J. Now, start bridging upper edge together as shown. Then, do the same for lower edges. Now, select this corner and create loop that will join upper and lower teeth. Then, select corners near upper and lower teeth and create new faces. Select these lower vertices and extrude it sideways. Create new faces and corners again. Select upper vertices, move them towards teeth and extrude them up. Then, select this edge and press F. Then, move vertices to smooth the loop a bit. Do the same for lower teeth. Then, we can start refining shape in sculpt mode. After that, we can refine face sets. Now, we need to mark UV seams. After making UV seams and some refining, duplicate the mesh and move original in backup collection. Apply mirror modifier. After that, make UV on a rock. For packing, I will use a UV add-on that's available in Extensions tab in Preferences. Now, we can add multi-resolution modifier and separate facets on central teeth. If you get in visual artifacts, check if normals face in correct direction and recalculate them. And now, our mesh is ready for sculpting. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.